Hi, my name is Joshua Lawig, and this is a story that I would like to tell you.
Many years ago, I met these awesome people. I did not expect that our bond would reach this point where we consider each other as our own. It's funny to think that we met in the most unexpected and most unnecessary way. In the past 12 years, these people have been my companions throughout my 12-year journey in school. And not just in school, but in overall life. And it's funny that within just a few weeks, everything's going to change.
If only for a moment. Oh, this could be my last chance.
But things are changing. I think it's for the better of all things. But everything will move on. And as many say, in the journey's end, a new one begins. And probably this is all for our growth.
Far from where I know. Or to see the other side. Show me where to go. Oh, this could be my last chance. I see her on to me, and there's no telling what you'll find here.
Say hello to the last exam, guys.
Buried underneath. If you look any further, then the stones appear. Lines are fading down. Oh, this could be my last chance. Be in the grip of your arms. Far from where I know. Or to see the other side. Show me where to go. Oh, this could be my last chance.
Nag-aabot ng 2K mo.
These memories that we've gathered are a strong reminder for us that we are not alone. Though I may not have believed it in the first place, but now I truly think that happiness is better when shared. Things may change, and many things may happen differently. Within a few weeks, within a few days, our new lives will begin. We won't go to the same school anymore. We won't see each other as much anymore. We may not even see each other for a very long time. We may see each other someday as strangers. But even though changes may happen, deep down I know everything's gonna be alright.
Everything's changing.
Be in the grip of your arms. Far from where I know. Or to see the other side.